Hi, my name's Callum and I'm the owner of Fishbone. This presentation is to show you the fantastic benefits of pressure washing and how we at Fishbone get it done. One of the most commonly cleaned areas is painted surfaces. The reason for this, other than the aesthetic value, is the fact when dirt mixes with paint it actually begins to oxidise, which causes that flaking or the bubbling or otherwise an unsightly area. So getting it regularly clean can actually enable paintwork to last up to a decade. I'm just about to show you how we do that. A wooden painted surfaces are probably the most important to keep regularly clean. The reason being that the dirt oxidising will not only affect the paint, but the wood beneath it. I'm just going to show you now how we quickly clean such an area. People most commonly have the misconception that blasting something with water is actually going to damage it. The fact is that by regularly cleaning an area with high pressure water, it's actually enabling the paint to last even longer. The longest house that's been regularly pressure washed has lasted 10 years. So as you can see, it's well worth it. I'm now going to show you the difference in pressure cleaners. Here we've got your standard household pressure cleaner. It runs at about 1500 to 2000 PSI and are pretty good for cleaning your garden steps. But for cleaning large areas they lack because the contact surface area is very small, which can leave lines and it just looks a bit unsightly. I'm just going to demonstrate to you the difference between this and a commercial pressure washer. As you can see, it didn't do a bad job. The problem with it though is you'll get a much better clean with a commercial one. Also the fact that it's going to take you an extremely long time to do this entire area. Now I'm going to show you what mine can do. As you can see, using a commercial pressure washer will greatly speed it up to 4 times. Now I'd usually use a floor cleaner for this, but I just used the gun to demonstrate. Here at Fishbone we have the tools necessary to do any job. We've got our extension lances here. Now these range between 5 and 15 metres, giving us up to 4 stories of reach. On this side here we've got our floor cleaner. This is a spinning jet. Runs at about 1000 to 2000 RPM depending on the pressure, and this gives a really even clean without those unsightly lines. Up here we've got our hot box. Using a coil and a diesel flame, it heats the water to about 85 degrees, also enabling for a better clean. On the other side, we actually have a pressure washer mounted into the back of the tray, running up to about 4000 PSI and 25 litres per minute. We've got our soap guns, enabling us to throw chemicals at any surface. We've got our high velocity lances, enabling us to clean the most stubborn of grime. We also have custom made lances, enabling us to get into those hard to reach places. Now we can custom make these to any degree needed. This presentation was just to give you a quick overview of what pressure washing is. Here at Fishbone we have the tools needed to complete any job, big or small. We also have a great team including a trained engineer who can custom make anything needed for any job. My name's Callum and I hope to see you soon.